The simplest explanation for this sound is that the hot wire causes the air inside the pipe to become warmer, which causes convection. The hot air rises. This pulls fresh, cold air into the bottom of the tube as hot air exits the top, and so we get airflow, which we have already seen can cause a pipe to resonate. If this flow of air is what's causing the sound, then turning the pipe sideways should stop the hot air from rising and the sound along with it. So let's see what happens.